Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports. Today we have a 2014 Honda TRX400. This is a Honda Sport Quad that they don't make anymore. It's an awesome quad, wish they still did. This one has super low hours and is offered for $5,490 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It looks like it's brand new, showroom condition, has very low miles on it. Went through, did an oil change, safety check, put a battery tender lead on it and got it all dialed in and ready to go. This one is green sticker, so you can ride it year-round in California. Also has reverse on it. Just a fun little all-around quad. We can provide financing as well as extended warranty on this quad. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned vehicles just like this one.